factor. 16a to the 7th times b plus 54a times b to the 7th. When we look at these two terms, we should recognize that there's a common factor of 2ab. And when we factor out the common factor of 2ab, we have 8a to the 6th power plus, factoring a 2 from here, 27b to the 6th power. And now we should recognize this as possibly being a cube, sum of two cubes. And so let's check that and see if it works. This would have to become a cube, and it would be 2a squared cubed plus 3b squared cubed. So in fact, it is the sum of two cubes. We use the formula for the sum of two cubes. So we have 2ab, and then the first term, 2a squared, plus the second term, 3b squared. And that is multiplied times the first term squared, 2a squared squared, plus, it's minus, I was skipping ahead to the last term, it's minus the product of the two terms, so 2a squared times 3b squared, and then plus the second term squared, 3b squared squared. All right, now let's simplify that. We have the 2ab. This remains the same, 2a squared, 3b squared. But now in this second set of parentheses, the third factor, we have 2a squared all squared, that's 4a to the 4th, minus 2 times 3 is 6a squared b squared, and then we have 3b squared all squared, so plus 9b to the 4th. So our fully factored form, 2ab times 2a squared plus 3b squared times 4a to the 4th minus 6a squared b squared plus 9b to the 4th.